Hey there, I'm Dustin from the WooCommerce Customer Success team, and today I'm going to walk you through some of the things that WooCommerce can do in action. First, let's talk about your site's look. It's completely up to you. No two WooCommerce stores are the same. You aren't limited by a handful of choices. You can build one from scratch or start with a pre-built one. Everything is designed to be extensible and customizable. Your current website look and feel could be rebuilt with Woo, or this could be a great opportunity to design a new site. If you got a specific brand or UX requirement, like everything has to be orange, you're not locked in. So everything is open to customization. Now let's take a look at the admin side. Here you can manage everything from inventory to orders to customer profiles and refunds. WooCommerce doesn't cap your growth. You can list unlimited products, unlimited SKUs, unlimited variations, and there's no plan-based limits on categories, images, staff accounts, or API calls either. You are free to scale your catalog and your operations as your business grows without worrying about outgrowing your plan. If you're tracking performance across channels or products, WooCommerce Analytics gives you an out-of-the-box dashboard. And it's built on WordPress, so you can always add more reporting layers or integrate with third-party tools. Many stores that I work with sell both direct to consumer and to wholesale customers with different pricing tiers, payment terms, and product visibility depending on the user role. So users can check out directly on site with a credit card, or you can process orders via an invoice. Another common use is a monthly subscription product that's handled with an extension that plugs directly into the Woo admin. So if you're running a mixed model like B2B, B2C, subscriptions, or even digital products, it's all managed in one place. WooCommerce is built to grow with your business. The core platform handles the fundamentals, but you can extend it in any direction with thousands of vetted extensions. That could mean by adding support for bookings, bundles, B2B features, custom POS systems, or just fine-tune your checkout experience. You only add what you need when you need it. And because Woo is open source, you're not limited by someone else's roadmap. If you or your developer needs to build something custom or tweak how a plugin behaves, you can. This kind of control means that you can keep evolving your store without ever having to re-platform just to get the new features. For businesses operating in multiple regions or under different brand identities, you can run multi-store setups. You can use a different Woo store per region to allow for local currency, payment methods, and even fulfillment logic. There are also multi-store management tools that help you keep it all organized. WooCommerce supports multi-language and multi-currency setups, so it's ready for businesses selling across regions or operating globally. Checkout is a big area of differentiation. You're not tied to a rigid flow, so if you want to offer local payment methods or change the layout or add custom fields for wholesale orders, it's all doable with the checkout blocks. With Woo, you're able to connect any payment gateway without penalty or fee. Woo Payments is built and supported by the Woo team. It allows you to accept credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and local methods without needing a separate payment processor dashboard. And you can track all payouts, issue refunds, manage disputes right in your store admin, so payments stay close to the rest of your operations. And the same goes with fulfillment. You can define shipping rules by region or use different carriers or hook into tools like ShipStation or print labels with USPS. Woo integrates with the rest of your stack, whether it's accounting tools like NetSuite, QuickBooks, or marketing platforms like Google Ads, HubSpot, and Klaviyo. You also connect CRMs or internal systems using REST APIs or automation tools like Zapier. And of course, we don't charge for that. Basically, with Woo, you can change and evolve your e-commerce experience while maintaining your existing workflows. If you're already on another e-commerce platform, migration isn't a one-size-fits-all operation. We've got a few standard ways to approach it, starting with importing your product catalog, syncing your customer data, and mapping over any legacy orders if needed. And if you've got thousands of active subscribers, we'll help you migrate them to Woo. We see a lot of merchants using staging environments to first test out their setup, do load testing, check all the things before going live. Staging environments are free with most hosting plans like Pressable. And if you're working with a developer or an agency, there's plenty of flexibility on how deep you want to customize. WooCommerce is built on WordPress, so you get a powerful CMS along with your store. That makes it easy to manage content like landing pages, blogs, and product guides all in one place. It also gives you full control over SEO from URLs to metadata to structured content. So that's a quick overview of what it looks like to run a business on Woo, whether you're selling across multiple models, regions, or channels. The biggest takeaway is flexibility. You're not locked into a preset flow or ecosystem. Woo gives you the control to shape the platform around your business, not the other way around. For a more in-depth demo tailored to your business, get in touch via WooCommerce.com, and we'll be excited to learn about your goals and needs and see how you can build it on Woo.